it's me.
It's Gabby.
And today we're going to do another K-pop reaction video to Taeyeon's Rain. So let's go watch it right now.
It came out last week, and let's see what happens.
Messy room.
Very SNSD-like quality. She looks like a doll.
The hair. So short.
What is she doing?
She's watering her fishbowl. Is her voice deeper right now? I like her sweater. Where's the rain? Look her outfit there. I like her earring.
She's collecting
Fishbowl.
jars with water in it.
Looks like Taeyeon in that ad.
She's a Taeyeon fan, if you guys don't know.
No, it's like, I think it's the hair. Less SNSD, like more real, like in the black and white, more emotion. Drown.
There's the rain. Or those bubbles.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna drown.
That's cute. She's in her own
She crying. Is she
glitter. What's it called? Crystal thing?
fishbowl?
Fish.
What a waste of stuff. Ouch.
Another sad song on the month of love. The month of Halloween. Like, month of Valentine's Day. What's up with these sad songs on a holiday that's supposed to be
Happy.
and
Full of love.
yeah.
Or happiness at least. Yeah.
So what do you think?
She sings well.
The best of SNSD? I guess.
What about Stephanie?
Tiffany.
I mean, Stephanie.
Her name is Stephanie.
Yeah.
But
Doesn't she go solo? No.
does she have? She doesn't have solos that much, huh? That's strange. How
Wait,
come it's
wait,
only
wait,
Taeyeon?
Wait, what's that? Tati?
Taeyeon.
Taeyeon?
Yeah.
So Stephanie's not in it, right?
She.
Why do I call her Stephanie? Tiffany!
Yeah, she is.
Oh, she is? Okay. So, how come she doesn't... Why is she the only one who has a solo?
I don't know. Ask SM.
Wait, but she's one of the... She's the best vocalist, is she?
She's supposed to be one of the top 3, I guess.
Who's the top... Who's the other two?
Taeyeon.
Oh, so? Really?
Yeah.
What about Jessica? Was she in top 3 before?
She wasn't in Taeyeon, obviously, but she's one of the best. And
doesn't she always have the high notes?
Nice video. I like this video.
Very simple.
I like her makeup. She looks like a doll, but in the black and white, she looks very
more like
real.
herself. Yeah.
But
real.
the song, it's a nice song, but I don't think it's her best so far. I think I've heard her sing better. I mean, it doesn't show her true beautiful voice, I guess. It's lovely, but it's not her best.
Sounds like a cafe song-ish in a rainy day with your book.
Yeah. Not that I'm hating you guys.
No,
I'm not a hater. Like, seriously, I like SDS and I like Taeyeon. It's just not her best song so
What would
far.
it be like
it's
if
lovely.
one of them, if they actually, you know, do solos and they're like fierce, like...
Let's see what happens. If
fierce,
people
like,
want,
solo fierce videos. I don't know if... Like, let me think of Vihyori. I want to see someone do that, my gosh.
In an actual album, right?
Yeah.
They did?
Album.
Well, I Got a Boy. That's not really...
Yeah, no, but then, like, you know, solo. That'll be nice.
Let me clear up...
Vihyori needs to come back.
Let me clear up what I said about Taeyeon. I know that her voice can do way better than how it did in this video. That's why.
Or
I'm
maybe
very particular.
You know what?
This.
Or she just wants to do different things. Like,
yeah.
It doesn't have to be all the time really hitting the high notes. Although she was hitting high notes here.
It's not about the high notes that makes a singer good. I think just the quality or the emotion. There's obviously emotion here, but it wasn't like on point. Maybe.
Never mind.
Wait, she just broke up with Baekhyun. Oh, I see now. I see why there's a sad song.
Oh, and I thought she was dating someone else now. Or was it Tiffany? That's probably Tiffany. So much gossip, guys. Anyways, lovely song for a cafe in the rain. Or cafe, the rain's outside, obviously. Not inside, don't get flooded.
Taeyeon,
stay
fabulous,
safe.
as always.
So
like
cute, like a doll. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Bye!